Welcome to beginners guys channel. Guys, today in this video we are using Tubebuddy in mobile phones. So mostly user they are using Android mobile phones. So if you have a mobile phone, so you can download Tubebuddy from Google Play Store. So before I starting my tutorial, make sure to subscribe my channel and also click bell icons to upload new video to receive notifications. So here are the option 1 2 3 4. Here the option is, if you this is my new channel, if we have lots of video uploaded, so we can check here. Also we can see the comment section here. When the user they are comment below to your videos, here the milestone channel, the subscriber and etc, they are showing up here. So here's the option is the software Tubebuddy, they are giving the options, news about influencing and all of these information they are sharing from here. We have here the menu option. This is my channel, so we can use the tag explorer. We can use tag explorer. For example, I search the Google user. So here the option search volume is average, competition very high, and 92 and overall bad. So we can use the Tubebuddy. The search volume is high but competition is low, so this is suitable for me. So we can we create video and overall position is great. So it's like that we can use the tag explorer like this. Here the tag list option, when you have a video on the channel, so you can click to your video, they are showing tag list, so you can easily copy from this. Guys, if you have to like my video, if you have any question about this topic, so you can you can ask me in comment section. Thanks for watching.